Welcome inside a modern frozen ice cream factory, built for large-scale production. Every system here is designed for precision, hygiene, and continuous flow.
This is where the frozen ice cream process begins.
Production starts as chilled milk arrives at the factory under strict control. Milk is transferred through sealed pipelines to maintain purity.
Cream is added to build richness and smooth texture.
Automated systems measure sweetness with exact accuracy.
Ingredients flow smoothly toward the mixing stage.
Large-scale mixers blend every component evenly. A uniform ice cream base begins to take shape.
The ice cream base now enters high-capacity freezing tunnels. Rapid freezing begins to lock in smooth texture.
Careful temperature control prevents ice crystal formation.
The semi-frozen mixture flows smoothly to the next stage.
Operators monitor freezing conditions in real time.
Air is added to create a light, creamy structure.
The frozen product exits the freezing system and moves forward. Flavor mix-ins are added with precise timing and control. Even distribution ensures consistent taste in every bite.
The product moves steadily toward shaping machines.
Automated systems shape the ice cream into uniform portions.
Each portion is formed to exact size and weight.
Shaped products move directly to the filling stage.
Containers are filled with precise portions at high speed.
Filling is complete, and the product moves to final packaging.
Filled containers now enter the automated packaging line.
Sealing machines lock in freshness instantly.
Each seal is checked for safety and consistency.
Brand labels are applied with perfect alignment.
Every package reflects quality and precision.
Products are grouped for efficient handling. Filled containers now enter the automated packaging line. Sealing machines lock in freshness instantly. Packaged ice cream is ready for deep freezing.
Packaged ice cream now enters the blast freezing stage.
Extreme cold rapidly locks in texture and flavor.
Temperature control is critical at this stage.
Once frozen, products move to cold storage.
Cold storage preserves quality until distribution.
Automated handling ensures safe storage.
Every zone is monitored around the clock.
Frozen ice cream is now fully secured and ready for the next stage.
Final quality checks begin before inventory approval. Packaging integrity is carefully examined.
Texture and consistency are verified.
Digital records confirm batch accuracy.
Each unit is scanned into inventory.
Approved products enter controlled storage.
Inventory is organized for rapid dispatch.
Frozen ice cream is now cleared for distribution.
Distribution begins inside temperature-controlled loading bays. Pallets are carefully moved to maintain product integrity.
Every shipment is sealed and verified.
Refrigerated trucks keep ice cream perfectly frozen.
Loading is completed with precise coordination.
Temperature is monitored throughout transport. Frozen ice cream begins its journey to stores.
Cold chain logistics ensure freshness worldwide. Refrigerated shipments arrive at regional distribution hubs. Unloading is handled swiftly to protect temperature stability.
Products move directly into cold storage.
Temperature-controlled environments preserve quality. Inventory systems track every unit.
Frozen ice cream reaches retail freezers.
Clear branding ensures instant recognition. From factory to store, freshness is maintained.
At scale, automation drives speed, consistency, and precision. Robotic systems handle thousands of units every hour. Sensors ensure perfect alignment and sealing. Continuous flow keeps production moving without interruption.
Centralized controls synchronize every stage of the factory.
Safety systems protect both people and product.
Every unit reflects consistent quality at massive scale. This is modern frozen ice cream production at full power.
Scale meets precision inside the heart of the factory.
Every line is optimized for speed and consistency.
Human oversight remains key at every stage. Clear branding reflects frozen freshness.
Order and alignment define modern production.
Each product represents controlled perfection.
This is frozen ice cream at industrial scale. Efficiency, technology, and branding move as one. The final production run brings every stage together. Precision sealing protects flavor and texture. Texture is smooth, stable, and uniform. Final approvals confirm readiness for release. Products are secured for safe handling. Every unit meets the same high standard.
Finished products return to cold storage.
Frozen ice cream production is complete.
From raw ingredients to frozen perfection, every step is precisely controlled. Consistency defines modern frozen ice cream production.
Skilled teams and automation work together seamlessly.
Strong branding reflects quality and trust.
Every unit is prepared for global distribution.
Scale, precision, and efficiency define the process.
Cold chain logistics protect freshness at every mile. Frozen ice cream begins its journey worldwide.
Every product represents controlled perfection.
Built with precision. Delivered frozen. This is frozen ice cream at industrial scale.
Engineered for quality. Designed for scale.
That's how frozen ice cream is made. Subscribe for more factory process videos.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next factory tour.